What's up, guys? We're playing White Noise online. This is like, I'm playing with my friend Drew Rages and Chill Dragon. We're having a good time, and we're about to play with this. And so, we're gonna do 3 different maps, which is the only one on there. Again, this is only 80 Microsoft points. There's 2 separate games. There's White Noise and there's White Noise Online. I would suggest getting White Noise Online because it already has the map you play regularly. Except this one, you can play with friends or by yourself. So you better just go ahead and get this. Now let's start this baby up.
Alright. 100 trial. No. The trial. Oh, I'm slow.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, where you swatting at? +2 to evasion.
Oh shit.
Oh. Yeah, what the hell is this?
Oh, that ass. That ass. Look at that ass. Oh, is that a man? Ew, you're ugly.
Dude.
Okay.
Alright, guys, let's split up here.
Hell no! Okay,
we're doing the Scooby-Doo message.
What
are you smoking?
Scooby-Doo message.
What is this? It's green.
Green. Holy shit! Right, what is that?
Yeah. I don't know, but my friend...
It's floating.
Guys.
Oh! Step away from it! Oh shit! God damn it! Oh, you got me! I'm down! Oh god!
Oh my god!
Oh, where are we? Where are we? Whoa! Whoa!
Are you alive?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm following y'all. I see y'all. I'm out. I'm out of the game.
Oh, you're a ghost.
I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost. I'm gonna go around the map and try to find y'all tapes. Do not go close to that green thing. That thing kills you. This sucks. I'm already dead.
Oh, we're gonna search for clues.
You're screaming with static. His mic went out.
Guys?
They're right behind you. Dude. Oh, left, there's a tape in there. Left.
I'm glad you got that before the monster even got here.
Oh, right there. Look, good tape. Get it. What are they?
Look at the rock. That's you. Oh no. Patty cake.
Shit. This is so hilarious. Oh god, that scared the shit out of me the first time, and then I see Drew like die, and I'm like, and Drew's mic unplugged. It was so funny.
Why do you gotta leave me?
Because we're bad.
Hello? I found the dragon. The dragon will protect me. We are friends, aren't we, dragon? My name is
dragon. Oh, there's a tape right there. Oh shit, that frog is loud. Oh, the tape's saying something. Shh.
Oh, I think it goes with the first one.
I think that guy's talking like he's trying to like tell him that he's lost or something. Like, you know, they're trying to find the tapes and see what happened with these guys.
Dude, what the hell were those things that killed us?
Oh, I don't know. There's some kind of monster thing. Oh, there's no tape.
Oh, you are stupid.
Logan's doing good. He found all 3 of the tapes. Or if he finds this one.
I got 2 tapes.
Yeah.
You scared me. You're going nuts.
It's right there, Logan. Look, turn around. Oh, I thought it was a tape. Never mind. It was a shape of a tape.
Where are you?
What is it? It should be here. Like, think about it. He's singing. He's like Scooby-Doo. Why are you holding out flashlights? We can't even use them. We can't even sprint or anything. Logan, you know you can sprint, right?
Yes. I got -1 to speed. But I got +2 to evasion.
That ass. Oh, you found the road. Take right. You'll find the bus station. This is where I got caught. This is where I first died. It pissed me off.
Oh, this is the first map.
Yeah, this is the first map.
Go on the road.
You know, you'll find a bus station. There's a bus station. Try to get to the bus station. Oh shit, you went the wrong way. This is the wrong way. This is a drop off.
Really?
You gotta turn around.
What the fuck? Hello? Oh, I see him.
Logan's gonna die. You're not even learning the one screen. You're like just like power walking.
I'm fat. I'm sorry.
You can walk faster than us.
Oh, baby, come on, come here, Logan, come here.
I'm trying to scare him. Oh, dude, here's the bus station. There's graffiti on it. Oh, you better be careful. You better be careful. It's inside. You gotta go inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Go into the dark building.
There it is. It's in here.
Okay.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to make it out. You're gonna be trapped in there. Just back up. Just back up. Don't even look. Don't even look. Just back up. You're heading for the door. You're heading for the door. Go over to the right a little bit. Go to the right a little. Okay, no, go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Excuse me, monster. I'm walking this way.
Oh god, this is fucking hilarious.
Look up at the sky. Shine bright like a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Tristan died in the first.
I don't know, that wasn't even right. That monster's got something on me, man. Logan's a boss.
Hey, Logan, no, Logan just got a bunch of those
This big ass rock. Oh, this is the head. This is the. Go around. This is where I found my first tape, and then I died. Oh my god, there's multiple heads. Never mind.
Oh, I hear a tape.
Yeah, I hear a tape. It's on the other side. Other side. Here's the big face. I see it. Yeah.
Right here, Logan.
Oh, never mind. He found it. This is a different face. Oh yeah, it's right here. Right here.
Let's hear what it says.
Yeah, see what it says.
Quiet. Let's just hope my Xbox doesn't freeze again.
It's freaking freezing.
I can't hear what he's saying.
Okay, either.
Well, my TV's so loud, so it kind of like makes my thing go staticky.
The best part is I have my door shut.
I wish like we could. I wish we could like actually see the monster, like so we know where he's at until you not to go there, but we can't see nothing.
That'd be cheating.
I don't know. I'm just saying. It's that way we know when it's about to happen to you.
Oh, great! I missed the picture. Alright, so if I stand here, the monster can't
This is where we just were. We were just here. This is where we found our first tape, I believe.
No, there's a tape. Let's turn around and see what's behind me.
Yeah.
Let's turn around. Oh god!
He's running. He's like,
oh great! There's the green object that kills.
Oh god. He's
Ah,
kill zone. Oh, it's that big ass tree. There's a tape here
I see
somewhere.
the monster.
There's a tape here somewhere.
Great, there's a monster.
I hear it.
behind me too, Tristan. Tristan, you just want me to moonwalk into the monster?
Yep. That's what happened to me. I kind of like that. I wasn't even looking at him.
Oh, Tristan.
What?
Let me check.
Oh yeah, he's still looking at me.
Get the fuck out of there.
I don't see him. Do you see him, Tristan?
No, yeah, only he can see him.
Oh great, there's a green object that's right in front of me. Let's definitely walk into that. Hey, it's a dead body. Let's investigate.
Oh shit! Dude, what is that?
What?
What is that?
It's a dead body.
Where?
Look at it! Right here!
It's Drew's body.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. It's dead bodies. I forgot.
Let's go find Christian. Oh, there he is.
I died as soon as the game started. That was even.
Wait, can I crouch?
No.
Can I jump?
No.
Oh, I was gonna see that.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
You
You should go into the green object that kills.
Oh yeah, definitely. Is the monster behind me? Oh, he's right in Tristan's body!
He's still looking at me.
That's why Tristan's won't see nothing.
He's like Slender Man. He wants my sweet ass. Everybody wants my sweet ass.
Right, like a diamond.
He's singing again. Oh god.
Sing the campfire song makes me
Hunter, give me a song. I'm scared.
I got one. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round.
We're not on the bus.
He said, "Shut your ass off." Oh, there should be something here. There should be something. You're so fat. Door couldn't explode.
Florida freaking monster is gonna freaking squash your head.
This video might be down for copyright because I'm singing all these songs. So just let you know.
You're what? Hey, what'd you say? What'd you say, y'all?
I said this video might be copyrighted because I'm singing all these songs.
Walking on.
Here you go. Well, luck, you know.
We mean no bad intentions. He's just scared.
Oh!
I wish this monster would hurry up and fucking eat you already.
We don't want to say that, Tristan.
Pulled this over.
Wait, I'm just gonna move.
He needs to tear out your spine. Look at that. Michael Jackson right there. Michael Jackson. He's got. Look at it. Look at.
I think the monster's walking backwards too. We're gonna bump into each other, then jump and run. Alright, we're gonna.
Oh!
Monster caught.
Thanks, Drew.
Raping Tom.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. You're very helpful.
It's so funny,
Where's the
guys.
monster? Oh, he's still there.
Booga.
Ow, my screen goes fuzzy.
Logan, can you see us?
I hope he dies. He just died already.
Yes, I see you as blue.
Yeah, we're like blue ghosts.
Let's go back to the sky. Why am I got coughing? Or girl coughing?
Oh, because you're
Oh, I'm back
tired.
to head.
You're
Let's
tired.
see how the skills matter.
Really? Yes, I've definitely been running. When I've just been.
Oh, this is that face. This is that face. I found my.
Your
never
bird's
mind.
here.
Wait, never mind. This is a different face.
Hello?
Hey, monster, he's over here.
Hello?
Booga. I scared you, right?
Oh, no. Well, we didn't do that. Hunter.
Yeah.
Did you play the game yet?
That ass.
Yeah.
That ass. That ass.
Alright, this scares me even more. There's no monster around me now.
Oh, I thought Drew was a monster for a second there. I saw it.
Oh! What's in front of Drew?
Drew, you scared the shit out of him.
No, there's a monster right behind the tree.
Oh, we got
No! I just got to speed.
I see that you are dead.
Alright, well that's it for that. That's it for the guys. Tune in next time.